And still waiting. Also, the YouTube stream has been restarted, so hopefully the YouTube stream runs smooth. Yeah, sometimes we do get problems here in YouTube, but it's all right. It's all right because we have restarted. It's so amazing. For now, just waiting and waiting. So the 15-minute candle is actually retracing, and it seems as if it's actually rejecting that 153, 195 level. That's a good start. That's a good start before candles could move down, right? So let's see what's going to happen. So the current 30-minute candle actually has broken the previous 30-minute candle's high, but still maintaining a push up below this level. Let's see. All right, so on YouTube, Kevin Martin says, joined late. How did you come up with that 153, 195 level? So 153, 195 level is a level from the left-hand side. So it's a level from yesterday's price action. And this level was noted because there was something interesting happening around that level. So if you look at this, Dun, dun, dun. Look at the way how the prices has been. Oh my God! I don't like highlighter. I like this. So look at the way how the prices has been reacting around that level in a higher time frame, sort of a higher time frame, sort of a structure, right? So now if you actually jump into this smaller time frame, for example, let's go into the 4-hour time frame, and you will see that 153, 195 sort of area is an important area from the left hand side. This was a demand area from previous. That was a demand area. The price actually reacted with that level previously. So look at this. Look at the most recent price actions here. Look at this. 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 So that area is something important. Something important to look at, because that could be a level where price can reject from and start going upside. That could be a level where the price is going to engage several times. So we will see. Yeah, man, I think I got this internet connection here. I mean, it's working just as fine in daytime. At nighttime, I don't know. I think everybody in my area is streaming. That's why my internet is slow. Come on, man. Come on, man. I think everybody in my area is streaming or doing something. But to be honest, if I actually look outside my apartment, man, I see people. For example, there's a building in opposite to me, and there are guys with like multiple screens, man. I don't know if they are traders or they do something else, but they have multiple screens, man, across my apartment. And those guys are always in front of the computers. So I don't know. I don't know. Maybe someday I'll go and ask, what are you guys up to? Just hang on there. So, We are back again. Back to it again. Back to it again. All right, so the current 30-minute candle was going to close in the next 10 minutes, and it's actually rejecting the top, slowly rejecting the top. Seems like it's actually rejecting the top. So in the next 10 minutes, we will see what's going to happen. We'll see if the price is actually trying to push down or what's going to happen, right? So we need to see a proper resistance before the price could push down. So the current 15-minute candle is actually heading up, which is okay, because as I said, price retracing up is only a good sign for me to take a sell. That way, price retraces up higher, makes a resistance. That's only going to support my bias. That's only going to give me a better opportunity for entry. So we will see. All right, so on YouTube, Mohammed Kashif says, what do you think about NFP on gold? I mean, we have to see, right? So for example, in the Forex Factory calendar news site, we see that the NFP, they're expecting good number, right? So the forecast is actually good. So the previous NFP was also technically good, right? So look at this. They were expecting bad numbers. Actually, hold on. They were expecting really good numbers, and the numbers were less than what forecasted, but was actually technically good than the previous number. So maybe something similar could happen. So not sure how the market can perceive that idea, right? At the end of the day, the market moves the pairs. So at the end of the day, we don't know. Have to see at that time. And yesterday's ADP also caused some volatility in gold. So I'm expecting some volatility here. So I'm not exactly going to take a trade around here. But I will just be enjoying the price action around the NFP. That is my thought. So obviously, guys, staying away from volatility is the best. Some of the professional traders out there, you know, they know how to handle these sort of situation. They actually capitalize off of volatility too, but I am going to stay off of it. That's the best idea for me. So just going to enjoy that price action, that volume, that volatility. Until then, waiting. Until then, just waiting. And still waiting. Waiting, my friend. Yeah, I don't know what's wrong with my... I don't know. So the YouTube here says the connection is pretty good. I don't know, man. I really don't know. Because I actually fixed the problem last time. It was running so well with the YouTube. I think the Zoom is running quite fine. So the guys in the Zoom, they are not complaining about anything about the stream. I think it should be okay. Should be okay. For now, look at this. Look at the way how the 15-minute candle is actually rejecting the top, right? So this is actually a good sign. Good sign for me, right? So this, if the prices start closing below 153, 195, that's only a good sign. So we're gonna see. We are gonna see. That's right. Oh, Brian says good on Zoom. That's nice. Good, Brian. By the way, if you send me a private message, the YouTube guys can see it. So be careful what you send me. So the YouTube guys can see me. So the Zoom guys cannot see it, but the YouTube guys can see it. So it's no longer a secret. So if you want to send me a private message, you send me on Slack. Send me a private message on Instagram, maybe. I don't know, Instagram or Slack, whatever you like. If you don't know what my Instagram is, so this is my Instagram right here. Just give me a second. Dun dun dun. And okay, so where's my Instagram? There you go. So that is my Instagram. Ooh, look right here. That is my Instagram. So if you ever want to send me a message, send me a message in my Instagram right here. So we do have a lot of posts here. Funny post, good post, inspirational post. So if you ever want to send me a message, right? Hey, da da da, da 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 da. Da da da. Dagada, 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 dagada. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, bum, boom, boom, bum, boom, boom. All right, so the 15-minute candle is actually retracing pretty hard at this point in time. It has 2 more minutes left for its close. Ooh, look at it, look at this. So the candle is retracing, has 2 more minutes left for its close. If this 15-minute candle finally closes as a bearish candle, the rejection on the top could serve as a liquidity wick or a liquidity grab, and the candles can push all the way down. So let's see what's going to happen. Have to wait for 2 more minutes. Have to wait for 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes. And that's going to be the close of the 30-minute candle, and that could be the first half of the hourly candle, and that could serve as a liquidity grab on the top. We will see what's going to happen. Obviously, we will see in the next 33 minutes. In the next 33 minutes, how the hourly candle is going to perform. Ooh, 5-minute candle ranging side by side. Look at the way how the 5-minute candles are ranging. To be honest, 5-minute candles are ranging side by side. Ooh, and we are pushing down. We are pushing down. This is nice. Nicey nice. Yeah, looks like we're going to push down here. Looks like we are going to push down. Interesting. Wow, we're pushing down here. Ooh, we're pushing down. Pushing down. Beautiful, man. This is actually interesting, isn't it? The way it's actually pushing, it's actually interesting. Interesting, interesting. Have to wait for this 1 minute. 1 more minute for this 15-minute candle to close, and that will be perfect. Oh man, look at this. I haven't taken any entry yet. Actually, pound yen is breaking people's heart here. I know, I know people are taking entries and pound yen is actually breaking their heart. That's why waiting for a candle to close is very important. I am waiting for the candle to close, so I am just waiting. Let's see what's gonna happen. Is pound yen breaking people's heart, or what is exactly happening? Let's see. All right, so the previous 15-minute candle closed bearish. That is lovely. So once this current 15-minute candle makes a top wick and starts rejecting 153, 195, on the break of the low could be ideal position for me. So let's see what's going to happen. Need to see this current 15-minute candle make a high before moving down. So let's see what's going to happen. Let's see. Wow. All right, so this is the point where I'm going to take a sell right here. Take a sell right here. I mean, my stop loss is above the previous 15-minute candle's high. Anticipating the price to push even lower, give me 10, 12 pips. So this is the point where I took a sell. Let's see what's going to happen. My stop loss is above the previous 15-minute candle's high. So if the prices start retracing and it hits my stop loss, I'm okay about it because obviously price does what it does, right? Sometimes. But what I'm going to do is this is how I'm going to manage my risk. For example, if I go into the 5-minute for risk management purposes, if this current 5-minute candle breaks the previous 5-minute candle's high, that's the point where I'm going to close at least 50% of my position because I want to lose less than what I anticipated. My stop loss is in about 9, 10 pips. So in about 9. Yeah, in about 9. So letting the position run right at this point in time. Obviously, this is not a financial advisory sort of a channel. So make sure you know what you're dealing with. So this is just an educational channel, and some of the guys in the Slack are my buddies, so we know what's happening, right? So obviously this is not a financially advisory channel. Make sure you know what you're dealing with, and make sure you do your own bit of research. This is only for educational purposes. So for now, look at this. Look at the way how the 2-hour candle is behaving. It's still hanging around that 153, 195 level. There is a chance price can actually push up because the current hourly candle is still bullish, but I am anticipating a push down looking at the smaller time frame, looking at the lower time frame. My anticipation is only valid if the candles starts making a high, rejecting 153, 195 and breaking its own low. If the candles don't break its own low, maybe the candle's going to move later. Yeah, so just got to be careful. And once I'm uncomfortable, for example, if I start going into 6, 7 pips in drawdown, I may be uncomfortable. If I'm uncomfortable with my position, I can close my position anytime. That's just the way it is. So let's see what's going to happen. Let's see what's going to happen. For now, the 15-minute candle is looking nice. Have to see this current 15-minute candle making a high, respecting the previous 15-minute candle's high, and eventually pushing down, breaking lows. That'll be nice. That will be nice. Until then, I'm still waiting. Still waiting. This is the pre-New York right now. If there is no volume, there's no trade. So definitely have to see some volume in the market. If there's no volume, man, I can be out of the trades anytime, to be honest. So if the price starts going against me in like 6-7 pips in drawdown, I may think that, you know what, that is the right point of time where I should be cutting down losses. Otherwise, if there's volume, there's no business in this current prices, in the current candle, to push even further, retrace even further. So let's see what's going to happen. I've taken an entry already, anticipating the price to push the candles even lower with volume. At this point in time, 15-minute candle retracing pretty hard. Pretty hard. Let's see. Price is ranging side by side. Let's see what's going to happen. Let's see what's going to happen. Let's see what's going to happen. For now, my trade is looking actually really good. Let's see what's going to happen. If the trade is going to work, or so this is the point where I've changed my risk management. So for now, look at this. If the current 15-minute candle starts breaking its own high, that's the point where I'm going to cut down at least 50% of my position. If this current 15-minute candle breaks its own high, that's going to be the position where I'm going to close at least 50% of my position. Easy and simple. That's just my risk management rule. So let's see what's going to happen. For now, the trade is running. Let's see. I have to see candles breaking these low and continue down. If this trade is going to run, man, that'll be lovely. That will be lovely. I can show you guys my position too. Just give me a second. Look at this. So this is another entry I took at the retracement. For now, the trade is running. If the candle starts breaking its own high, I'm going to close at least 50% of my position right there. But this is my position right here. All right, so YouTube guys can see it, obviously, you know, but yeah, that's just it. That's just it. All right, so the current 15-minute candle has broken the previous 15-minute candle's low. This is lovely. Let's see what's going to happen. Is this going to be a risk management day, or is this going to be a beautiful GJ sales day? What's going to happen? Pre-New York trade here. Pre-New York trade. Yep, for now the trade is running pretty nice. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Pretty nice, mate. Let's see what's gonna happen. All right, so look at this. So the current 15-minute candle is retracing pretty hard at this point in time. So it has 5 more minutes left for its close. There's no business in this current 15-minute candle to actually flip bullish. If this current 15-minute candle flips bullish, so that only tells me that, you know what, there is no volume at this point in time. And if there's no volume, for me, there is no trade. And the best idea will be to close the position. If the candle starts flipping bullish or starts engaging with the high one more time, that's the point where I may close my positions. For now, the position is looking pretty good. It's running pretty nice. It kind of makes sense to push even lower. So let's see what's going to happen. Let's see what's going to happen. I am still running. So at this point in time, what I might do is I might even lower down my stop loss. So lower down my stop loss here. So in 2 pips in profit. 2 pips in profit. So let's see what's going to happen. 2 pips in profit. Let's see what's going to happen. Let's see. So if you look at the 30-minute time frame, 30-minute candle, look at this. So the current 30-minute candle is still bearish. So it has 19 more minutes left for its close. And this is not only a 30-minute time frame close, but that is a 1-hour candle close. So if the 1-hour candle is flipping bearish, that is lovely. That is actually lovely. So we will see if the candles are going to push lower and the wick on the left hand side could be filled or what's going to happen, right? So until then, just relaxed and calm. We are in about 15 minutes away from the NFP here. Still looking at the 15-minute time frame for the risk management sort of idea at this point in time. So let's see what's going to happen. 3 more minutes left. 3 more minutes. Let's see. The position is still running. And oh, the position is running. All right, so here's the thing, right? So on YouTube, we recently hit that 426 subscribers. So recently, the YouTube channel has grown significantly, almost close to 500. So that is quite interesting, right? Quite lovely, nice support from the team there, you know, from the community. So beautiful, beautiful. The trade is still running. So here's the thing. If this current hourly candle finally flips bearish, there is a higher chance the next candle could actually push even lower, right? So just need to see if this hourly candle, so the current hourly candle could actually flip bearish. That way, the liquidity grab on the top could be a really good sign for the next candle to do this job. So the job to push down, right? For now, the candles are still hanging around there. 15-minute candle is still bearish, but it seems as if it's still hanging around there. Maybe there isn't enough volume in the market yet. So have to wait a little bit more. But man, we have hit that 426 subscribers on YouTube, so that is amazing. From about 4 to 5 subscribers to 426 subscribers, that's pretty cool, isn't it? Pretty cool. Ooh, we hit the 427 subscribers. Okay, that's nice. That is nice. and the position is still hanging around there. Let's see what's going to happen. Let's see what's going to happen. All right, Jura says you deserve it, Anuja. Thank you. Thank you for the love and support, guys. Thank you. I mean, here's the thing. So if the candles are gonna flip a bullish here, or the candles start moving up, there is no business holding the trade. All right. So have to be careful in what you exactly want to choose. For example, if the candles are gonna break the high, that's the position where I'm gonna think that, you know what, my bias may be correct, but there's no volume in the markets. Should I actually hold the trade all the way till the full stop loss, or my drawdown? Maybe no. That's going to be my tactics to manage my risk, right? So let's see what's going to happen. So the previous 15-minute candle closed bearish right now. So the current 15-minute candle heading bearish. That is a good sign. If this current 15-minute candle breaks the previous 15-minute candle's high, that's the position where I'm going to close at least half of my position. Until then, my positions are running. So let's see what's going to happen. Let's see what's going to happen. Current 30-minute candle still bearish. 1 hour candle almost trying to flip bearish here. Trying to see if this current 1 hour candle could actually flip bearish. But man, have to see. Have to see what's going to happen. Have to see what's going to happen. Let's see. In the next 14 minutes, are we going to get a push down or push up? Let's see. 14 minutes. Let's see. Ooh, we are pushing down. Maybe the volume is coming right now. Ooh, looks like volume is coming. Ooh, and we're pushing down. We are pushing down in about 3 pips in profit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start securing once I hit that 8 to 10 pips mark. I do see clear range on the left-hand side, but once I hit that 8 to 10 pips mark, I'm going to start securing, man, because I am one of those guys who is going to secure at least something in the bag. I'm not going to leave everything run without anything, man. I'm going to secure. Trust me on that. Trust me. All right, so for now, the 30-minute candle is still breathing, has 12 more minutes left for its close. Want to see this candle at least close bearish. All right, so looking at the 15-minute candle, it's actually pretty clear that the current 15-minute candle has broken the previous 15-minute candle's low. Looks like the candle's going to push even lower. Looks like the candle's going to push even lower, so let's see what's going to happen. There is higher chance for the candles to push down at this point in time than moving up. But again, at the same time, what we have to keep in mind is we are not the one who control the market. The market is controlled by an external factor, and that external factor is something we never know. So again, at the same time, even if we are happy about the, you know what, the candle's moving in our direction. Oh yeah, it's nice, it's beautiful. It can go against us anytime. So how do we actually manage our position? We have to be on the go. We have to be on the trigger to manage our positions. That's how you will be amazing in terms of risk management. So I've taught that to myself over a long period of time and all of this experience, right? So that's something you can learn easily if you focus and if you're disciplined. If you can easily take control of yourself, man, risk management is nothing. Trust me on that. Risk management is almost about nothing. You just have to be disciplined. So this is something I'm keeping in the back of the head, that the market can go against me anytime. If it starts going against me, for example, if the current 15-minute candle starts breaking its own high, that's the position. That's the spot where I'm going to close at least 50% of my position right there. Trust me. So let's see what's going to happen. Let's see what's going to happen. Let's see what's gonna happen. So the current 30-minute candle is still bearish. Trying to keep the risk management ideas in the back of the head. Current hourly candle is flipping bearish at this point in time. Has 10 more minutes left for its close. If this hourly candle flips bearish, man, there is a higher chance the next candle is actually going to drop down. There is a higher chance. So let's see what's going to happen. It's actually interesting. At the same time, keeping my eyes open for risk management. Any possible risk management. So let's see. The position is still running. I've shown you guys my position too. I mean, you know, so you have to be clever enough. Clever enough. Obviously, this channel is no. So this is something my. This is something I will be telling throughout the stream. So this stream is not a financial advisory channel. This is an educational channel where we discuss ideas. So if you're planning to invest or look into any instruments, you should do your own bit of research and be careful, because investment is only risk. Okay, we're just talking about ideas here. This is an educational stream. So that's it. There you go. So the current 15-minute candle is still hanging around there. Looks like the current 15-minute candle is rejecting the support. Have to see candles breaking these levels and start heading down. Man, oh man. I like the view and I don't like the view at the same time. I like the view, but I don't like the view at the same time. Come on, man. Gotta run down. There's no business in this candle pushing up. Let's see what's gonna happen. In the next 9 minutes, are we gonna push down or up? Let's see. Is there any volume in the market? Because if there's no volume in the market, prices can range, man. I don't like ranges. I like volume. If there's no volume, there's no trade. Let's see what's gonna happen. Five-minute is ranging side by side. 1 hour looks better, because anticipating this hourly candle to flip bearish. So what's gonna happen, man? Is the market ranging? Because in the next 38 minutes we have this major news. Oh, look at this. So the hourly candle has flipped bearish here, right here. Ooh, 7 more minutes left for this hourly candle to close, and looks like we're gonna push down here. Oh my god. And the liquidity grab on the top on the hourly candle is so apparent, right? So that was something we talked all about. If the liquidity grab on the top is going to allow the prices in pound yen to push even lower, that is amazing. Just keeping my eyes open at this point of time. Just keeping my eyes open. Ooh, and I think the volume is coming in right now. Ooh, and in about 5 pips in profit at this point. Ooh, and we are running. We are running. Oh my god, this is good. This is good, man. This is pretty good. In about 6 pips in profit. Ooh, 7 pips in profit. Ooh, 7 pips in profit. I'm going to show you guys. Look at this. Dun, dun, dun. There you go. There you go. That's my position right there. It's still running. Still running. Hourly candle closing in the next 5 minutes. It looks like it's going to push down even lower here. Man, ooh, it's dropping. Oh my God. In about, it's dropping. Let's see what's going to happen. If there's enough volume or what's happening, right? If there's enough volume or what is happening. Wow, looks like we're going to push down here. Looks like we are going to push even lower. Wow. For now, 152.985 is the target. Let's see if 152.985 is going to be tapped. Let's see. 4 more minutes left for this hourly candle to close. 4 more minutes. Let's see. Let's see what's happening. Hourly candle is still bearish. Has 3 more minutes left for its close. The liquidity grab, liquidity wick on the top is so obvious. Anybody can see the wick on the top. And that is only going to allow, more than likely, that wick is only going to allow the next candle to push down. So let's see what's going to happen. Let's see what's going to happen. Wow, man. Man, oh man. There is literally the volume in the market is so low, man. Trust me. The volume is too low. In the next 3 minutes, we're going to see the New York Open. And if the New York Open is going to cause the price in pound yen to push up, retrace higher before pushing down, that is going to be ugly because I'm already in a position, right? So at that point in time, if the New York market open is going to cause the price in pound yen to retrace even higher, I might even close half of the position because I don't want the candles to retrace higher at this point in time. Let's see what's going to happen. I am still about risk management. I was in about 8 pips in profit. I haven't secured yet. But I'm going to see. I'm going to see what's going to happen. I'm going to see what's going to happen. I'm going to see what's going to happen. The 30-minute candle has 1 more minute left for its close, and the 30-minute candle retracing pretty hard. That is not a good sign. For me, that's not a good sign. Hourly candle, hourly candle has to also maintain some sort of bearish posture. Let's see what's going to happen. Let's see. It looks like market is literally waiting for news, as Tech Jarrus on YouTube says. That could be the case. You know, my bias could be right, or I might even be wrong. You know, obviously the trade is running, gave me about 8 pips, but yeah, it didn't secure. That's the problem. Didn't secure, but it's okay. It's okay if the candle starts going against me. The best thing in the back of the head is risk management only at this point in time. Because if the candles were to push down with volume, it had to push down, man. There was no business in candles hanging around there. So let's see what's going to happen in the next few seconds. Dun, 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 dun. All right, so the current 15-minute candle retracing pretty hard at this point in time has left a decent wick, a healthy wick on the downside. 30-minute also. Ooh, look at this. 30-minute candle, 30-minute structure still making sense. I mean, if there's enough volume in the market, because this is the New York market open at this point in time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait for this. I'm going to wait for this 15-minute candle to actually breathe and actually move in my direction. If the wick on the downside is only a sign for the next candle to fill through, it's actually still okay because the 30-minute structure still makes sense. But here's the thing. For example, if this current 15-minute candle starts breaking the previous 15-minute candle, that's the first sign of risk management. And if the 15-minute candle breaks this 15-minute candle's high, that's the position where I'm going to close in about 50 to 80% of my position. Let's see what's going to happen. Because it's not only about taking a position, it's more to deal with how you handle the result out of the position, right? So you got to kind of maintain your risk. Let's see what's going to happen. I am still looking good with the position. I mean, I'm still in it. So let's see what's going to happen. Is there enough volume in the market? Let's see. Is there enough volume in the market? 30-minute structure makes sense. Let's see. 30-minute structure. Dun, 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 dun. Let's see what's going to happen. Ooh, and we're pushing down. If there's enough volume in the market. Now, at this point in time, once again, if the market gives me 8 to 10 pips, this time I'm going to secure. I'm not going to leave the bag open with all of my position like fully running. I'm going to secure, man. 100% I'm going to secure. Let's see what's going to happen. Our previous hourly candle closed with a huge liquidity wick, potential liquidity wick on the top. There is a chance this current hourly candle could push all the way down. Let's see what's going to happen. Ooh, and it's pushing down. It's pushing down. So the hourly candle pushing down in its first few minutes. 30-minute structure looking good. 15 minutes is also looking really good. Is trying to fill the wick on the left-hand side. So more than likely, if there is a downtrend, if there is a bearish momentum in the market, the wick on the left-hand side could be filled. That could be the case. We are in about 27 minutes away from the NFP at this point in time. So the highlight has been pound yen until now. So we're going to see how gold is going to move in the next few minutes too. So until then, keeping an eye open in pound yen. Mr. Pound Yen, Mr. Pound Yen. And the position is still running. Still running. Ooh, and the 30-minute candle is pushing down. Nice and slow. Is there enough volume in the market? The question is, the real question is has the market got enough volume to push the prices down? Let's see. Ooh, and it's pushing down. It's pushing down. Pushing down. It's pushing down. Let's see. And the market is pushing pretty slow. Looks like the volume is almost sort of like really low volume situation here. Very low volume here, to be honest. Very low. Pretty low volume. Pretty low. If there's no volume, man, I may even close the position, to be honest. To be honest, if I don't feel comfortable, I may even close the position. Cause usually these sort of setups, they kind of work, and if they kind of work only when there's a lot of volume. And if there's no volume and the market is waiting for the NFP, I mean, what am I doing, right? What am I doing? So let's see. I'd rather have a smaller win or a smaller loss than a bigger loss, right? So let's see what's going to happen. Because I have to control my outcomes. I cannot let the market dictate what I do. Let's see what's going to happen. There is no business in price retracing at this point of time. If the price has to push down, it has to push down. Let's see. Let's see. Yep. So let's see what's going to happen. Is the trade going to push down, or is it actually going to close me at break even? Is it actually going to close? Is the position going to be closed at break even? What's going to happen? Because I really don't like the way how the candles are moving at this point of time. If there was enough volume, there was no business in candles hanging around there. It should just push down. To be honest, it should just push down. Yep, I got stopped at a break even. So I closed whole position. I honestly closed the whole position. Look at this. Close at break even. I honestly didn't care. Do you know why I closed my position? I know my bias could be correct. I know my position could have been profitable too, but I also know the fact that, you know what? There is NFP right around the clock. In about 12 minutes, we have NFP. So I'm okay about it. To be honest, I'm okay about it. So that was sort of like... Let's see. GBPJPY, first trade. Trade 1. GBPJPY. 1 pips. Risk management. There you go. There you go. Oh man, a lot of Slack guys just left. Interesting. Interesting. Actually interesting. And the price in pound yen is retracing pretty hard. I've closed my position already because obviously, you know, it didn't make sense because there was no volume. The only best choice I had was to manage my position accordingly. Obviously, my bias was correct. So the bias was correct. Analysis was correct. Everything was correct. Market gave me 8 pips as well. It also gave me around 8 pips. Sorry about that. So the market did give me 8 pips, in around 8 pips. I mean, it is what it is. Sometimes it is what it is. You just have to accept. Either you want your trades to end up with a smaller loss or a smaller win or a bigger win or a break-even sort of a situation. You don't want your trade to end up with a bigger loss. Trust me on that. If you really want to grow your account, that's what you want. I mean, it's another trading day, and I shouldn't be feeling FOMO. I shouldn't be feeling worried about my risk management. I am okay about it. I am 100% okay about it. So the major attraction is going to be it's going to be gold here. I think gold is going to be a major attraction. At this point in time, gold is going to be the major attraction. So the NFP is in the next 28 minutes. Actually, 18 minutes. 18 minutes. Pound yen still looking nice, but I'm out of the position already, so I don't really care. At this point in time, I don't really care. Risk management, no volume day to day. So this is going to be a highlight. This is absolutely going to be a highlight. Absolutely going to be a highlight. Dun dun dun. There you go. So it looks like that was a good decision. Whatever decision I took for risk management, man, that was pretty good. I even show you guys my terminal, right? So that was pretty cool. So your experience does help, doesn't it? Experience does help. So my trades were closed at break even. I mean, risk management is amazing, right? So you can control the outcome of your trade. How amazing is that? I would want that every time. There's literally no volume in pound yen. To be honest, no volume in pound yen. No volume in pound yen. And we are still waiting. Still waiting. So Jatin on YouTube says, are you using an ECN account or standard? Sometimes MT4 ECN account shows latency. So latency is the slow bandwidth, isn't it? While I close the trade, what will you suggest a shift to MT5? Oh, I mean, so the question comes down to this, right? So what do you exactly want? Because some of the brokerage out there, they offer ECN on MT5. So MT5 is known to be the latest terminal to trade, and Metacode has announced a news about they are not supporting MT4 on its technical part anymore. So MT5 is constantly updated, constantly new. So I use MT5. So I mean, it doesn't really matter what terminal you use as long as you're profitable, right? So MT5 is the latest, so you have to choose if you want to stick with the latest terminal or the old terminal. I mean, for me personally, I stick with MT5. I love MT5. So you have to choose at the end of the day. So what do you exactly want? And ECN account, for me personally, ECN account is the best because I get to experience raw spread and everything is real. ECN, you know, so that's the idea. Oh, and gold is pushing down nice and slow here. Gold is pushing up, pushing down nice and slow. Pushing down nice and slow. Pushing down nice and slow. Really interesting. Wow. Interesting, man. We are 8 minutes away from the NFP. Pound yen has been a complete risk management day today. Obviously, experience help me. So gotta be experienced, right? That's why you gotta journal. You gotta learn from your experience. See, if I had let this position run fully, my stop loss would have been hit. So for now, I manage my position. I'm at break even, so I don't care. All right. I got stopped at 1 pip, break even. Doesn't really matter. That's almost about nothing in trading. So that's why you gotta control the outcome of your trade. 100% control the outcome of your trade. In about 6 minutes left for the market to experience the NFP blow. NFP blow. Ooh, gold is pushing down, man. Gold is pushing down heavy. All right, so it looks like the firework is starting in the next 4 minutes here. Firework is starting in the 4 minutes. In the next 2 minutes, let's see what's going to happen in the next 2 minutes. In the next 20 seconds, let's see what's going to happen in gold. Let's see what's going to happen in gold and also pound yen. Ooh, and ooh, gold is dropping. Ooh, gold is dropping, man. Man, oh man. Ooh, retracing pretty hard. Retracing pretty hard. Oh. Wow. Good numbers. Oh my god. It's actually good. So technically, gold should be pushing down. Ooh, pound yen is pushing up. Wow. Wow, gold is so volatile right now. Gold is so volatile. Wow. Wow. Gold is pushing up. Interesting. And the NFP numbers were really good. The NFP numbers were actually really good. Wow, gold is pushing up. Wow. Man, gold moved almost about $10 on the downside and moved up. Man, too volatile here. Too volatile. Man. Man, oh man. Wow. All right, man. This is the point where I'm going to call it a day here because it looks like there's nothing happening here. Looks like nothing is happening, to be honest. So gold moved pretty volatile, and it's still pretty close to this range here. The numbers were good, but the market is causing the gold price to push up here. So what is exactly happening here? What is exactly happening? So this is the point where I'm going to call it a day. So thank you to the guys who came in and supported the stream. Thank you very much. And we hit that recent 430 subscriber. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. So have a beautiful rest of the day for yourself. And I'm going to call it a day. I'm going to stay away from the volatility for today. And we're going to come next into the market in the next Monday. And we'll see what's happening. We may even do a simulation session around the weekend. So that'll be lovely. Until then, stay safe, stay calm. Don't overtrade, don't over risk. Market is really volatile. Really, really volatile. Take care, guys. I'll see you guys next time. So we're gonna come back around Monday, and we will attack the market then. Until then, have a beautiful day. Have a beautiful, beautiful day. Take it easy. Take it easy. Take it easy. Take it easy.